In this video, you're going to see how to transform your boring normal windshield into one that's super cool with a black matte stripe and G-Technic on top. Always put your car inside so it's warm and dry, then open up the box, which is filled with a lot of goodies. Here you got your cutouts and your matte black strip, microfiber towel, the G6 window cleaner, smell good squeegee and buffer, knife, your cutouts for the side windows, and bumpers. The first step is to clean the window. So take the G6 cleaner, give it a nice thorough spray, and then wipe it from side to side. Rotate the microfiber towel to absorb as much dirt and oil as possible. Once clean, apply the buffer to the squeegee. This is a monkey strip. So pinch a corner, release the liner, put the squeegee right in the middle of the buffer, run your finger on the outside edge, and you're good to go. Next, take masking tape, a tape measure, and the matte black. Tack one edge of the matte black on one side of the car, tack it in the middle to hold it, then stretch it out to the other side and tack it in place with another piece of masking tape. There may be a lot of excess material on the side, so cut it away safely with a knife. Now pick up the masking tape marker and let's go for alignment. Make sure there's about a 1/4 inch of excess matte black film on the upper portion of the corner and place a masking tape marker at the bottom of the matte black piece. Make sure there's the equal same distance of 1/4 inch of matte black film above the corner and then put another masking tape marker. Now it's time to create what's called a temporary hinge. Take 3 pieces of masking tape and place it in the middle. Smell the squeegee, because it does smell really good. Now it's time to release the liner. Pull the liner low and flat, and then cut it away safely with a knife. Now put the fingers in between the material and roll it safely out. This means that your fingers won't touch the adhesive side. Then grab the ends and align the edge of the matte black to the masking tape marker. Tack it right on the edge. Now squeegee towards yourself. In this case, you can squeegee in 2 overlapping squeegee strokes. The material may bridge on the edge, so pick it up, then tuck it in safely to the edge so there's no tension. This is critical. Now with one side done, remove the masking tape, pick the piece up, and picking up the liner will be nice and easy. It simply snaps away from the film, pull it towards yourself, and all the way off. Hold the edge of the material, guide it to the masking tape marker, so now both sides are perfectly straight, and in 2 squeegee strokes, you can apply the film to the main surface area. Once to the edge, pick it back up just like the other side and tuck it in stress-free to the edge. Once the black matte film is on, run a finger on the outside edge to make sure the tension is nice and uniform. Now it's time for cutting. Avoid long blades as this might cut the car. Keep the blade short, 1 or 2 clicks out, and run your blade alongside the edge of the window, angling slightly in. If it's awkward to cut, stop cutting and always cut towards yourself so there's no tension on your hand. This is the key for good cutting success. Once one side is done, repeat the same steps for the other side. Again, short, shallow blade, keep the blade on this side of the glass, angle it slightly in. Once cut, retract your blade for safety and remove the excess film. Take the squeegee again, smell it, because it does smell that good, then seal the deal with the buffer side of the squeegee. Now it's time to apply a G-Technique on top, and the first step is to clean the matte surface. Spray it, wipe it, and let it dry. Now it's time to find the center point for the G-Technique cutout. You can use a tape measure, or if there's a center point that's on the vehicle, in this case with the camera, mark it with masking tape, and your center point is easy to reference. Otherwise, measure left to right. Now take the masking tape and the cutouts and place 2 pieces of masking tape just past the center point. Then pick up the G-Technique cutout, fold it in half so the 2 edges are the same, hang it like a teardrop, then pinch the middle point. Match the middle point crease up with the masking tape marker and done. It's centered. Now take those masking tape markers that were placed at the beginning and place them on the edge of the cut vinyl piece. Now it's time to make the G-Technique straight. So make sure the white is the exact same distance from the bottom of the matte black piece, top and bottom, and left and right. With it aligned properly, make that masking tape hinge in the middle, just like with the matte black strip. Remove the masking tape holder from the side and then place it at the edge of the white. This is for alignment. Remove the backing paper from the cutouts, hold it away from the vehicle, and cut it off. Now with the finger, tack the white section so your fingers don't get on the adhesive of the red cutouts. Align the edge of the white to the top of the masking tape so it's centered, and don't ever squeegee on the black matte as it may scratch. Only squeegee on the white pre-mask. Then once you've squeegeed with the buffer side, squeegee with the hard edge so the cutouts stick properly. Now repeat the same steps for the other side. You have the alignment masking tape at the bottom. Remove the liner. Only hold onto the white pre-mask. Align the edge of the white to the masking tape. Squeegee first with the buffer side and only on the white pre-mask side. Then use the hard side of the squeegee to firmly adhere the material to the surface. Now it's time to pull off the pre-mask, and it's very important to pull low and flat. A good way to do this is simply just push it along the windshield slow and steady. And putting two hands on there and rolling up into a tight ball works as well. Once the pre-mask is off, then final steps are to take the buffer side of the squeegee and lightly go over the edges to make sure they're fully sealed in the black mat, and smell it one more time. You're done. So in just a matter of a few minutes, you can transform your boring windshield into one that is super cool like this. Thanks for watching. I'm Justin from the Wrap Institute.